Othniel is a significant figure in the Bible, particularly in the context of ancient Israel's history during the period of the Judges. According to Jehovah's Witnesses and their Bible-based teachings, Othniel holds the distinction of being the first judge of Israel after the death of Joshua. His story is primarily found in the book of Judges, specifically in Judges chapter 1 verses 13 to 15 and Judges chapter 3 verses 7 to 11. Though he is also briefly mentioned in Joshua chapter 15 verses 15 to 17 and 1 Chronicles chapter 4 verse 13. Lineage and background. Othniel was the son of Kenaz, making him a member of the tribe of Judah. This tribe held prominence among the 12 tribes of Israel as it was associated with leadership and later became the lineage of King David and Jesus Christ. Othniel was also a younger brother, a relative of Caleb, a man of faith who was one of the 2 faithful spies sent by Moses into Canaan. His connection to Caleb is noteworthy because Caleb was a man deeply trusted by God and known for his unshakable faith. Early exploits and marriage. Othniel's first significant act of bravery is recorded in Judges chapter 1 verse 13. Caleb had promised to give his daughter Achsah in marriage to whoever captured the city of Kiriath Sepher, also known as Debir. Othniel rose to the challenge, conquered the city, and subsequently married Achsah. This act demonstrated his courage, leadership, and loyalty to his family and to God's commands. After their marriage, Achsah made a request to her father Caleb for additional land, including water sources, which Caleb granted. This incident illustrates that Othniel's household was blessed with resources that would sustain them in the promised land. The period of Judges. Following Joshua's death, the Israelites repeatedly fell into cycles of disobedience, idolatry, oppression, repentance, and deliverance. This was known as the period of the Judges. Othniel's role as a judge came during a time when Israel had turned away from Jehovah and began serving the gods of the Canaanites, particularly Baal and Asherah. As a consequence of their unfaithfulness, God allowed the Israelites to be oppressed by Cushan-Rishathaim, the king of Mesopotamia. This oppression lasted for 8 years. The Israelites, in their distress, cried out to Jehovah for help, and he raised up Othniel as a deliverer. Othniel's leadership. Jehovah's Spirit came upon Othniel, empowering him to deliver Israel from their oppressors. He led the Israelites into battle against Cushan-Rishathaim and achieved a decisive victory. This victory was not solely due to Othniel's military strategy but was attributed to Jehovah's blessing and support. As a result, the land experienced 40 years of peace under Othniel's judgeship. This period of peace demonstrates that Othniel not only brought physical deliverance but also spiritual and social stability to the nation. Spiritual lessons and legacy. The account of Othniel teaches several key spiritual lessons that are emphasized by Jehovah's Witnesses. Faithfulness and obedience. Othniel's willingness to step forward as a leader shows the importance of trusting in Jehovah and acting in harmony with his will. Jehovah's power. Othniel's success as a judge underscores the belief that Jehovah equips those he chooses with the strength and wisdom needed to fulfill their assignments. Deliverance and peace. The 40 years of peace under Othniel's leadership highlight the blessings that come when individuals and nations turn back to Jehovah. Jehovah's mercy. Despite Israel's repeated disobedience, Jehovah mercifully provided deliverers like Othniel when the people repented. Othniel's story is particularly inspiring because it shows how Jehovah uses faithful individuals to accomplish his purposes, even during times of national spiritual decline. Jehovah's Witnesses often use his example to illustrate how God can empower anyone, regardless of their background, to fulfill a vital role in his purpose. Conclusion. Although Othniel's story is brief, his role as the first judge of Israel is pivotal in the biblical narrative. His courage, faith, and reliance on Jehovah set a pattern for other judges who followed. His account also serves as a reminder of Jehovah's love and readiness to help his people when they humbly turn to him. For Jehovah's Witnesses, Othniel stands as a testament to the power of God's Spirit and the blessings that come from faithful service. Please share and like and please subscribe.